I'm Brittany with WTI, and I don't think a lack of space should stop you from being organized.
This JEYODA car handbag holder has so much more to offer than just holding my handbag. First of all, I just really want to appreciate the quality. It is such soft, strong, well-stitched material, good cushion, even the mesh was well made. And the way it hooks onto the car was not only easy, but so secure. You have to take the top straps, wrap it around the headrest, then you're able to tuck in the remaining strap into this strap holder, which makes this not only secure, but look a lot cleaner. Then they have these bungees with hooks on them that hook on to the buckles of the driver and passenger seat. Once you do that, it's going to open up that space that's perfect for your handbag. In the back, you're going to see so many different pockets. Not only is good for possible drinks, I keep them for my doggy treats because I run into a lot of dogs. And I love to be able to easily access these dogs for when I run into my friends' little cute puppies. They get so excited when they see me because they know they're going to get their treats. We actually have a tissue holder in the back, so this pocket for tissues was a perfect spot for our car mascot, Grover. That way he can hang out with our passengers in the back and have a nice view of the car. The extremely sturdy mesh pockets can hold our business cards, other things that I need constantly, like eyeglass cleaners, my chapstick, so many other stuff. As you can see, there's a lot of room in that pocket. So now when you go to the front, the main purpose for this is holding your bag, which I love that I don't have to keep it by my feet when I get in the car.
And that's my point of view.